Hello. A is for apple. Apple. B is for broccoli. Broccoli. C is for cake. Cake. D is for donut. Donut. E is for egg. Egg. F is for French fries. French fries. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for hamburger. Hamburger. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jelly. Jelly. K is for ketchup. Ketchup. L is for lime. Lime. M is for milk. Milk. N is for nuggets. Nuggets. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pizza. Pizza. Q is for quesadilla. Quesadilla. R is for radish. Radish. S is for steak. Steak. T is for taco. Taco. U is for udon noodles. Udon noodles. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. Well, U is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for siminya. X minya.
Type of African fruit.
Yogurt. Yogurt. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini.